Hi, welcome to the Soul Tribe and to this 10-minute guided meditation for beginners. If you're a first-time meditator, it may seem like a strange concept to simply sit and do nothing, being with your innermost thoughts. And it's especially hard to grasp the concept of stillness when our minds are designed to stay busy. So let's begin by getting into a comfortable position, your back tall and hands relaxed. Close your eyes and start to focus on big, deep inhales and exhales. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Notice how your chest is rising and falling with each breath. It will be completely natural for your mind to sometimes wander and to feel restless when you try meditation for the first time. But it's important to remember there is no such thing as a good or bad meditation practice, only awareness and non-awareness. Becoming aware of this breath and this one and this one. The air filling up your lungs, making them expand, and the breath leaving your body as they contract. Keep focusing on your deep, intentional breath as you inhale fully and exhale slowly. Meditation is all about becoming aware of our thoughts and how we are the observer. Mindfulness and meditation practice are useful tools to manage runaway thoughts. The aim is to allow them to enter our awareness, notice them, but not become invested in them. Your mind won't magically clear, and thoughts will come and go. But by noting them without judgment, letting them pass by, and always returning back to your breath, you can stop attaching yourself to thoughts and bear witness to them instead. Imagine your breath as a wave coming into shore, filling you up. And then, as you exhale, imagine the water rushing back out to the ocean. As you continue to follow your breath, cultivate awareness for these next few moments. And if your mind has been distracted, don't fret. Acknowledge any thoughts that may have arisen and gently return to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling and exhaling. In and out. A good beginner's technique is the body scan. Imagine a photocopier scanner moving from the top of your head down your body until it reaches the soles of your feet. I'll guide you through the process. Listen to my prompts as you become aware of any sensations throughout your body. Starting at the top of your head, check your temples, your cheeks and jaw for any tension, softening if you can. Slowly move to your shoulders and upper back. Are they tight or relaxed? Simply observe any sensations here. And if any thoughts arise during this scan, acknowledge them and let them pass, going back to the part of your body where you last left off. Then see how your chest feels and your arms. Are they heavy or light? Think about how your legs feel and your sits bones on the cushion or chair beneath you. Are you feeling comfortable? Uncomfortable? Let the scan travel down your legs. Are you feeling still or restless? Moving down to your feet, observing how they feel, resting on the floor, rooting you down against the earth. You've just completed your first body scan. This technique is a simple way of tuning into yourself in the present moment. In making this scan a part of your meditation practice, you're familiarizing yourself with bringing awareness to your thoughts, feelings, and any sensations in your body. It's natural to sometimes feel frustrated because our minds won't clear or empty. But going into meditation, it's important to realize that our mind is always going to think, because that is what it's designed to do. The skill of observing our thoughts can be mastered by building a habit. Come back to this video or any of our other guided meditations on our channel to enhance self-awareness of both body and mind. And as this practice comes to an end, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your attention back to the room. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Please like this video, share with others who may find this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more. We look forward to welcoming you back to the Soul Tribe soon.